Former senior Chinese diplomat Zhao Qizheng and former Japanese Prime Minister Fukuda Yasuo attended the annual Beijing-Tokyo Forum in the Chinese capital. During the forum, both sides called for a rebound in bilateral ties. The forum comes after a joint public opinion survey was released by China's International Publishing Group and Japan's Genron NPO. The survey shows an overwhelming 80% of citizens from both countries feel negative about the other side. But the survey also shows relations are improving slightly. The percentage of people who feel negative about the other country is slowly declining from the highest point of over 90% in the year 2013. According to the survey, the top reason why Chinese say they don't like Japanese is Japan's attitude toward history and the current territorial disputes over the Diaoyu Islands. And the top reason for the Japanese is China's criticism over Japan's policies toward history. Sino-Japanese relations have worsened since late 2012 when Japan unilaterally nationalized the Diaoyu Islands.